Ain't no fucking way, mate. Error. A fatal hardware error has occurred. Processor core. Machine check. Okay. I'm gonna send this to Locke. Locke will have the answer for me. Locke will have the answer for me. Okay. Where did my group chat go? Actually, I don't even need to be in the group chat. Well, no, giant dad. Oh my god. I can't believe my fucking my PC crashed. Damn it, giant dad. We crashed, boys. It's my CPU again. Hi, Tyler. Bro, that's so sad. I had a lot of chats. I had a lot of chats to catch up on too, bro. I was just starting to read the chat. I was just starting to get excited and the frog hat. God damn it, bro. I mean, I don't know. That's only the second crash I've had. So, okay, I put the tunes back on. I was low-key vibing, man. The cat's still chilling, don't worry, guys. The second I figured out the fucking hat. It only gets worse, don't worry. Are you trolling? Wait, so what do I need to upgrade about my PC then to like not crash as much? It's the project we're working on, Avenger. I have like 32 gigabytes of RAM, I think. Yeah. Tazzy, what are you doing? Vibe so hard you crashed the PC? No, dumbass. Maybe the cat did it. Did you have something to do with that, Jazzu? She likes to jump up on my desk when I'm streaming or playing games. Then she'll like watch the mouse go around the screen. It's really cute actually. Okay, Giant Dad, you need to give us a list of objectives to do. I'm just fucking around while you give us a quest. Boop. Uh-oh. Yeah, she's still looking at the mouse. Okay, whatever. We need to get going. I agree, Giant Dad. What? Go in player blueprint and start making mechanics. Okay, after I put the frog hat on, bro. UE4. Giant Dad wanted to do UE4. But I figured since I already figured out how to like use the characters and like the walls and UE5, just stay on it. Can we play the game when it comes out? Yeah, I'm gonna have a beta for it. It's a long ways away though, obviously. Like I'm literally just like you guys can see, you know. Okay, so source NPC. Yes, hello Zazu, you look very fine today. So static mesh. Wait, hold on. Where's the fucking frog hat? Did it not save? Oh, it didn't save, that's why. Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna try and give myself the frog hat. So I think I have to go to third person. Blueprint. This one. Is it clicked on this one? Add. Why can't I? Okay, something's not right. This Roblox? No, it's UV5. I want this fucking frog hat. I'm gonna try to import it again. I heard someone in the house. Okay. So now I'm gonna click on this. Add. I'm like giant. I'm confused, bro. I'm so confused. Why is it not working? I just dyed myself black. That's not what I want. Giant dad, bro. I didn't. That was not the intention. Clearly not, Michael. Clearly not. Oh god. Can I just like? Because what we did before is we clicked add, and then there's a static mesh for the thing. Giant Dad, help me with this freaking frog hat before I rage, bro. Okay. Material, right. And this is a static mesh. So why can't I get this onto my character? That's the question. I just like drag it onto him. Hat is just a skeletal mesh comp attached to the character mesh. Okay. So the hat is going to be compatible until it's prepared, right? Oh, like you're saying, like you drag the nods from the target, like so the hat stays on the target. We can't do that yet. Okay, well I guess I just dyed myself black for now, chat. That's cool. That's cool. Wait, can I make my chest green? Like, can I make myself a superhero? Hold on. I might be cooking. I might be cooking. How did I do that? I think it's just this. Okay, and then compile. Please work. Yeah, let's go, dude. Yo, I'm dripped out, boys. I'm dripped out. Let's go. The Necromancer experience doesn't come in black, yeah. That's great. Will there be jades? I mean, that'd be a solution. Okay, anyways, back to work, Giant Dad. Gear needs to be rigged into player's skeleton and weight painted in Blender. Okay, it's not hard once you have the setup. Okay, where are we starting today, Giant Dad? I think he's had to get in the mood. That's why it took a minute. Bro, Lindsay's back on a fucking cruise. How many cruises does Lindsay go on in a year, dude? Chat, how many cruises do you go on in a year? Thoughts? I've never been on a cruise. My grandma built one on the fucking Titanic. I wouldn't be alive. I shouldn't be joking about that, but we always said that in the family. Okay, I gotta set up. Wizard102 about to make Storm unstoppable in PF? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. 0 cruises? There will be Jades in Wizard101. Yo, that's crazy, dude. You need to start coding. Figure out what you want to make and make it in blueprint code real quick. How do I get the blueprint code? Like the... Okay. Content. Learn the blueprint nodes and variables. Okay. So you want to code stuff and put it into here? The Giant Dad code folder? I went on my first cruise in the Bahamas. Is it nice? I feel like it'd be like low-key kind of freaky. I've traveled to other countries though. Oh yeah, I see. Figure out what you want to make. So we're talking about the combat, right? Well, he already knows what the combat is supposed to look like. So where do we start? I guess from the beginning, right? We would need like a battle square, battle circle functionality thing. And to like initiate it. Unless you want to start with like UI. What do you think, Giant Dad? Blueprints are so much easier to read in C++. Also remember to hit compile. Yeah, no, I was doing that earlier when I was, fuck, how do I get to my, god damn it, where's my character? Over here, somewhere. When I was trying to put the colors on my character or whatever earlier, I kept forgetting to hit compile right here, how to exit out, and then not see it, so. Yeah, I think compile is just another word for render, right, Ragnarok? Yeah, no, it's in my plans, heist. Start with projectile, health, and damage. Well, what chat recommended to me, Michael, is just like vibe coding or whatever. Then obviously I have Giant Dad too. To make the battle circle, first create an actor blueprint named battle circle. Okay. Actor blueprint. God, navigating these folders is fucking cancer. Actor blueprint. Isn't there level prototyping? What folder should this go in? Level prototyping, right? You're retiring soon. After 10 years of development. Hell yeah, Giant Dad. There's a YouTuber who has made an Wizard101 demo of UE5. You should reach out to him. Yeah, I think a couple of people have just there's been a lot of comments about it as well. Okay, where am I going for this fucking actor blueprint thing, Giant Dad? They're being here. I want to like put blueprints inside my blueprints, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna like organize this while Giant Dad be thinking. Main character. Oh wait, no spaces. Main character stuff. So. Oh fuck. Okay, sure. And then. Okay. You gotta learn quick before I die? Bro, you said some generic ass shit and expect me to know where to go for that. First, create an actor blueprint. Name the battle circle. Okay, so an actor. You can place an actor. But he wants a blueprint. Okay, no, hold on. Let me think for a minute. So I need to put a mesh down. Is that a giant dad? I haven't played Final Fantasy Ragnarok. I might check it out though for some inspiration. It's basically like D2, E33, and Wizard the one. The content browser, great. Oh, like add stuff. Add blueprint. Okay. I haven't heard from Valerie in some time, Red Belt. So okay. Why is there artificial intelligence in here? Behavior tree. Oh, I mean, I don't know. In game, when you enter a battle, this actor will be spawned and contain battle data. Okay. So we want a blueprint class, function, structure, interface. Which one? Right click in the content drawer. That's the same thing as add. I guess that's a quick shortcut though, yeah, you're right. Why do you always have to sit on something, Zazu? She's sitting her ass on my phone now. And then my glasses. Add a class, okay. Okay, he said actor, so actor. And then name it battle circle. Okay, done. Okay. So yeah, just literally right click, add blueprint class. Got it. Yeah, no, I feel you on that, Hysteria. Is the actor behavior? Yeah, that's what I was figuring. Like, you know, in Skyrim or whatever, when they're like get mad or something, like shit like that. Maybe it's those. Okay. What the fuck is this? Add a decal component to it? Bro, do you see how much shit is on my screen? This guy. What the fuck is this giant dad? Is that an asset you sent me? Download it? Okay, it's an asset you sent me. Okay, cool, thank you. Thank you. Download this, drop it in the editor. Like, right here. Editor. The editor would be not in here. Right? Shit. Oh my god, I hate driving this fucking game. Okay. This thing's just black. What is this shit giant dad? Drop the asset into the content browser. Oh. Yo, chat, how cooked am I on a scale 1 to 10, boys? How cooked are we? Okay, so drop this in. I don't know what the fuck I'm even looking at. What the fuck is this shit? Sure. Bro, what? Why is it doing this? Bro, I'm so confused. Build the import. Make a textures folder. Unreal assets are in OBJ or FBX format. Yeah, I think the frog cat was an FBX from Wolf. Yeah, yours is a PNG file, giant dad. That's probably why. Drop the file into it from your PC. Oh. Okay, so you need to put it in a folder. Okay, cool. She's having a nap on the desk. You're so beautiful. Most beautiful calico cat I ever seen. Only use FBX for meshes. PNGs for texture. It's not a mesh. Okay. I see. I see. Okay, so what do we want to do now? This is... We want to attach a texture to our battle circle, I'm assuming. So we'll probably go in here. It does not look like what I was looking at before. I think. Importing is super hit or miss. The actual PC folders will be the recommended way to add. Okay. This is a decal material that uses the texture. Okay. Then you put the material on the battle circle decal. Okay, right. So would it be this? This kind of what was the shit we were looking at earlier? Open full blueprint editor? Oh, this is it. Okay. Would I add... What did you say this was? A decal material uses the texture. So we don't need a mesh. So it's not a mesh. So I wouldn't add. So is it this stuff then? Actor, rendering. What's an H-Lod chat? Fucking, just fucking people screaming. Is that why you're in here? Is there like a fucking war zone going outside? This is performance. Okay. Material. You are in the nodes, which is that not what I'm in? How are you there? Decal? Okay, I see that. Do I need to make my own decal with a node giant dot? Is that what I'm supposed to be doing here? That's what I would do, I think, with what you taught me yesterday. What is all this shit down here? Nice red belt. Create a material in content browser. Okay. In textures. Or I guess go to materials. Where was that? I should just stop clicking and stop touching stuff. I'm just getting lost. I'm just getting myself more lost, chat. Okay, where was I even? Oh, fuck. The battle circle. So, is it this? No. Not giant dad. Not input. Level prototyping. Hashes. Textures. Just put it in textures. Okay. Create a material. So what does that add? Okay, add. Okay, add a material. Just leave it. I don't know what the fuck to call it. And then, do I want to drag the battle circle into the new material? Chat, I hope you guys, I'm streaming this because I thought it'd be funny. I hope you guys are enjoying me being a fucking complete moron and noob. You know, it's out of the norm for me. Knowing everything about Wiz and sucking at something, you know. Listen, I'm having a good time. Alright. I might seem a bit miserable every now and then, but I've been enjoying it all so far. Okay, someone sent me a YouTube link to someone doing something similar to us. I'll check that out later. On my own time. Open it. Okay. You like the music? Oh, it's Giant Dad's music. It's funny, when I first got on the call with him, I had like Drake playing or something. He's like, bro, turn that shit off. I can't think. So I was like, okay. And then he sent me like all his playlists, which is stuff like this. I don't mind it. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, what are we doing in here? There's a lot of shit to look at, as usual. Material. Wait, you sent me a screenshot. It looks similar. Yeah. Okay, now I see. Hold on. I'm already on a Giant Dad. Translucent. What the fuck is... He's on a different one, so that's why I'm confused. Translucent gray... What? I can't even... Which one? I mean, colored. I want it to look nice, right? Hold T and click to create a texture node. Okay. Blend mode. Why don't I see a blend mode? Oh wait, that is the blend mode. I'm actually fucking stupid as shit. Wait, there's 2 blend modes. I'm not stupid as shit. Emissive and translucent. Giant Dad, which one? Does it matter? I don't have all those settings. Shading model. Default. Not like I can change it. Two-sided. No. Cast ray trace. Yeah. Okay. That's just similar as I can get a Giant Dad. And then you want to make a node. Control T. Hold T and right click. Okay, a texture sample. And this is the node that you were talking about earlier. I see in your... Sazu, why are you eating me? I just gave you a whole bowl of kibble. Why can't I rename this? I'm assuming he has... Can you not? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, you spoiled kitten? Okay. Oh. Alright, see you later. Set the texture in that node to the battle circle texture. Control and Alt? No. This? No, that's a... Convert to texture object. Set the texture in that node to the battle circle texture. Oh. Wait. But we have to make it ourselves, don't we? No, okay. Look at details on the left side. Oh. Okay. Add a plane component and set the plane material to the picture. Okay. Tell Mr. Beast to buy us. Okay. Create the node, set the texture in that node to the battle circle, okay, and connect it like the screenshot. Okay, so I'm connecting the decal to another decal? This is the only thing I have is a new material in here. That's the only thing in with it. Okay, hold on. Let me cook, hold on. Okay, so UV to emissive. And then A, I don't know what the fuck A is, but okay. You have 1 opacity and I have 2, I think. I'm guessing it's this one. You have mask and opacity. I have mask and override. You need to plug RGB into emissive, A into opacity. Yeah, I got that. I got that part already. Okay. How do I rename the sample chat? I don't see rename. Okay. Now, material domain. What are you clicked on? Oh, you clicked on the new material. Okay, I see. Yeah, there's 2 translucents. Emissive, default. Yeah, like we're just like not looking at the same thing. Because he's on UE4, I'm on UE5. Like I only have 2 things here, you have 3, and your thing isn't grayed out right there. Any ideas, Giant Dad? Convert to parameter. Oh. I could try this one instead. Doesn't really change. Well, I mean, you can kind of see it. Okay, so the translucent gray one. Just test it out. The different blend mode. There you go. Okay. Now what? So we just... I'm just trying to comprehend what we did in my head. We made a decal, we attached the PNG to the decal, and now we're giving the decal prompts like we want it to be like whatever the fuck emissive is, right? Like we're editing the blueprint of the PNG right? Okay, so is there a compile? Nope, there's not. So we should be good to get out of here then, right? I don't want to get out of here and then something's messed up. Apply. Wait, chat, do I need to click apply? Is it like compile or is it fine? Yeah. Okay, I'm hitting apply. I hit apply. You have to apply? Okay. Alright. Good catch, Liam. Alright, we're out of here. So now, if my theory is correct, which I like to make theories because it makes me feel smart, we should be able to drag and drop it in. Right, yeah. Wait, hold the fuck on, chat. Does that mean I can make myself the battle circle? Wait, hold the fuck on. Hold the fuck up, boys. Wait. Wait, Giant Dad. Hold on. This might be gas. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, this might be gas, chat. Hold on. Compile. Always hit compile. Let's see. Yo, dude, I'm a ghost, bro. Oh shit, yo, I just made a ghost Giant Dad. Yo, that's gas. Yo, check this out, man. It's awesome. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's, so can I... No, I can't just load this in, because it's just a material. Would I drag and drop the material onto the battle circle? Or maybe I double click this. Is there material yet? You should put that in as an Easter egg enemy. Just like hide it somewhere. Yeah, that's funny. Alright, Giant Dad, what's next? Try dragging it into the scene. Not the material, right? The circle. Oh my god. What the hell is going on? Yo, we just painted the floor, I think. Yes, bro. Your new flooring, chat. For 500 gold in the bazaar. You can actually drag in decal materials. Oh, deadass. So that means... Uh-oh, which one is it? Try it. This one? Oh, yo, wait. What am I doing? Okay. You mean takedowns? Hell yeah. Okay, so we got like a little thing here. Okay, so then we would need to give it like prompts or whatever. Yeah. What is even happening? What is this green thing? The cylinder? Can I just get rid of this? I mean, I can do anything I want, right? Fuck you. Okay. Wait, where's my fucking battle circle? Why can't I click on it? Did I put it through the fucking ground? Oh, hell no. Oh shit, I think I put it through the ground, chat. Oh no. Wait, I can go through the ground, right? Oh my, what the fuck? Where am I? Okay, this is a really bad idea. Oh my god, I just hit some random button. Holy shit, I suck at driving. Default column tower going on. Yeah, this shit's goated. Okay, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna fucking... You know, actually, I have a better idea. I'm just gonna make my own area. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, watch this, watch this. If I can figure out how to fucking drive. Oh my god. Why is the driving the hardest part, chat? Okay. So I want to quick add... Like something. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know we have this stuff, giant data. Is it because we have the full engine now? That's cool. Shapes. Want a plane. That's what I was doing. I was doing this yesterday. Art to scale, I think. Okay. God damn it. I hate these fucking controls. Is there a way I can edit the goddamn controls, chat? Like, this is god awful. I hate it so much. I hate it. Okay. Okay, that R. Make it wide. Just give me my own area. W. Okay. And then do I need to compile it all, or is it just good? Oh my god, I didn't build stairs for myself. Wait, they're over here. Hold on. Battle circle. Oh my god, I just fell off the fucking battle. Yo, chat, dude. Dude, we're actually cooked, boys. We're actually so fried. Yo, rapper's working on 103? Hell yeah, dude. This is actually a problem, falling off the map. Oh god. This looking gas? Nah, for real. Okay, this is my own area. So I'm gonna give this a texture, which is material. Let's make it green. Yeah, sure, why not? And then I want to add our circle. Put it like right there. Okay. Oh my god, no, it keeps spawning me back here. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make a staircase then. I mean, I'm gonna have to get good at like just dropping shit in pretty quickly anyways, right, chat? Curved stair. Well, where is it? What? The fuck? Where did it go? Linear stair. Nah, bro, I'm not tripping, right? I'm hit. What the fuck? Chat, I'm not tripping, right? You can make a new spawn place. I mean, it's fine. I'll have to get good at this stuff anyways. Okay. I'm trying this one more time. Spiral stair. Just any stair, bro. This is crazy. Thank you, Buster. Hold right mouse button, use WASD. Oh, to stop using left click? Oh, that's actually so much better. Thank you, Giant Dad. You just move this thing or delete it? The flag? Fuck you, bitch. Now we're free. Now we're free. Okay, Giant Dad, what's next? So we need like a sequence or whatever, right? So we have our battle circle. It's kind of hard to see, but it's fine for now. We need a thing like when we walk near it, something happens, right? Yeah, Giant Dad saved the game. That's true. Alright, while he works on that, I'm gonna try and build like a little staircase here for my dumbass. Okay, so right click. Okay, there we go. Now I'm looking a little competent. Not bad, chat. Not bad. Is that good enough? Okay, yeah, cool, nice. Ugh. Why is it so, like, hard to see? I'm gonna do some investigating while Giant Dad's cooking up the next... Oh, fuck. I think we're just gonna have to deal with it, chat. That's okay. I don't need to apply shit, it's already fine. Okay. It's hard to see because your material sucks. Thank you, Giant Dad. You literally are the one who sent me it, bro. Oh, this guy. Game is saved. Yeah, no, for real. I could probably scale this, right? What is that? This one? Oh wait, I'm clicking on the wrong thing. Why can't I click on the battle circle? Lighting, playground, new material. This, okay. R. Okay. It's a little big now, huh? Maybe this will be easier to see. It's bigger now. Make it fucking wide as fuck. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I got it, Giant Dad. I know how to scale. I know how to scale, dude. Alright, there we go. Should be a little better. You need like an area of effect, right? Yo, you like my wizard, bro? I made him a ghost for mix, bro. We made him a fucking ghost. Bigger? I mean, I'll have to make this bigger then. Okay, I don't think it needs to be any bigger than this, chat. I'm gonna keep it a buck, bro. I feel like... I feel like we should be... I feel like we should be good now, you know? Let's just delete this. And then we want to scale this. What am I doing? Oh, whoa, that looks weird. Okay, I mean, chat, bro. If you can't see this one, bro, like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Like, it's there, bro. It's there, you know? It's like translucent. That's why it's hard for us to see. Maybe if I change the color of the bottom, is it gonna help?
If you are making better trades than your opponent, you should win.
What I do? Oh, wait, I cooked, bro. The black frog saved us. The black frog actually saved us, bro. The black frog that we unintentionally made black. Oh my eyes fell off the fucking... Dude, no! Wait, I'm gonna be infinitely fall... Dude, oh my god, wait, giant dad, giant dad. I'm infinitely falling, I can't... What do I do? Chat, what do I do? I removed the spawn point. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, this is so bad. This is so bad. Fuck, I shouldn't have... Oh my god. Okay. Content... All... Spawn... Is that what I want? Control Z? Are you serious? There's no way that works for my character, bro. Oh. Okay, never mind. He knows what he's talking about. Frozen Freedom. Okay, look, that looks so much better though. I made the floor black, so we can actually see it now. Shout out to the frog, bro. Shout out to the frog. I wanna like put the... I'm gonna... Wait, oh my god. I have an idea. Okay, Giant Dad, keep thinking of what we're doing next. I'm gonna try something. Chat, how do we load the frog into the map? Do you remember? Main character stuff, cosmetics. I literally just... Okay. Let's make a giant frog in the middle while we wait for Giant Dad. Because his favorite animal is a frog. Last time I touched the frog, my PC crashed though, so I'm a little scared. It's a W? Okay. R... What does this do? Oh, makes him long neck. Giant fucking frog. Hell yeah. Wait, I have an idea. Wait, can I copy paste stuff? I don't know if I can. I don't think I can. Can I, chat? I was gonna put like one in each corner in the map. Oh shit. Okay. So W. Oh my god. E. Why isn't he wrote? Oh shit, that's the block. Okay, is that centered? I think that's centered. The frog should be the final boss. Make a villain frog. Hell yeah. I feel like that's alright. Thoughts, chat? Yo! Yo, this is goated. Press W to go in move mode, then hold Alt and drag off the arrows. W... Alt... What? Nah, I just duplicated the frog, bro. Nah, I got 2 in the. Oh, yes, let's go, dude. Hell yeah, giant died. Oh, yo, I'm starting to lag now. Fuck. My shit can't laggy. I'm gonna delete him. He's lagging my shit, bro. That second frog lagging my shit. Hold on. He's. I can feel the frame drop. I think we gotta settle at 1 frog. There we go. Dude, holy that my whole fucking shit is actually just lagging. It's my task manager. I mean it's fine. Everything's fine according to the task manager. Oh, so when I click play, my CPU jumps to like 92%. I see. This is fire. You guys fuck with the frog, dude. He was not supposed to look like this in the blender. Something must have went wrong. You're gonna use AI to help you understand anything? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I haven't gone to school. Like, chat was asking about that earlier, so... Yeah, can I give the frog a different... Can I make him green? Oh, yo! Oh, yes! We did it! Hell yeah! Let's go, dude. Let's go! I fixed the problem. He's doing the poggers. Yeah, the frog, he's over here, he's cheering us on from the battle circle. Alright, so what's Giant Dad gotta say now? Oh, he's typing, he's working on it. Okay. Giant Dad, do you like our tribute to you? That's great. This is the most cursed thing. It's gas, bro. What do you mean? That frog is made of 3 billion triangles? Are you serious? Is that why I'm like lagging now? Bro, how do you optimize your game if I drag one big thing and my whole thing's fucking lagging, bro? Okay. So, Giant Dad, I'm trying to think here, get back on track. Okay, so the new material is technically our battle circle. So what is the battle circle mat for? Like, oh, it's preparing shaders for something. I don't know what it... I don't know what I just did. Like this, if I just drag it here, it just dies it. Part of it. You can make a plane and put the mat on it. Like what I just did, or is a plane something that I don't know about? What is that little book right there? You guys see that? What is that? What is this? Don't need a decal if it doesn't look right. Make a plane. I mean, isn't this literally a plane? Yeah, it is a plane. Yes, I already did that, Giant Dad. That's what we're looking at. Oh my god. No! Bro, am I still... Dude. Dude. Giant Dad, I'm still falling, bro. I control Z and I'm still falling. Bro. Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck. I hate this area. I fucking hate this area, Chad. I keep falling off the... I'm gonna build a wall for myself so I stop jumping off the fucking map. Yo, what's up, monkey? What is that, the third time we fell off the map today, or the fourth time? Oh, God. Okay. I got it. I'm gonna put some walls in while Giant Dad be thinking. Good practice for me anyways, right? Quick add. Can a plane be a wall, chat? Build Wizard City, bro. That's literally copyright, bro. Planes are one-sided, they'll be invisible from the other side. Okay, so what if I make like a giant plane? Make the plane's material the battle circle, then you won't need the plane. Oh, okay. So I would go to blueprints, I think, right? Level prototyping. Plane. And then material would be... Yeah, I don't have to apply. I guess not. Okay. So now if I put a new material in... Which is this? It's still white, Giant Dad. Why is it still white? This is looking good. Why is it still white? Damn, I thought I actually did something for myself there. I mean, what if I drag this one? Okay, I mean, if I drag this one, it works. I guess. The plane method works too. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to building my wall because I'm gonna keep falling off the map if I don't. So Giant Dad, again, you keep thinking what you need to do, what we need to do, whatever. I'm gonna keep building my walls so I don't fall off the map. So... Okay, what I want R. Yeah. Doesn't have to be that tall, right, chat? I just need not to fall off the fucking map. And then what was it to duplicate an item? I think you just have to Alt and click. Oh shit, what the fuck? I just went flying. My project, whale. What button was it? Alt and right click? No. Bro, how did we duplicate the frog? No, it was T. Wasn't it T? Bro, I need to scroll up. Alt W? No, that flew me even further, bro. That flew me even further. Oh, God. I need to scroll up, bro. Hold on. Hold right mouse button. Okay, no, that's not that. Hold Alt and drag off the arrows. Okay, got it. I need to rotate. Cool. This is unicorn way I'm making, yeah. Sure, chat. Whatever helps y'all sleep at night. This is unicorn way. Okay, hold Alt, drag off. Okay, nice. 90 degrees. Awesome. Oh shit, what am I doing? Okay, is this good enough to keep me from falling off the map? Let's see. Oh shit, there's still a hole. Oh fuck, there's multiple holes. Okay, this is the only shot I got right so far. Okay, why did I just go top down, you fucking idiot, eh? There you go. DM's toxic, he called me a fucking idiot. Ah, ban him. Okay, alright. Nice. Nice, dude. Now we can't fall off the map. Expand the platform? That could work too. Yeah. Giant data, are we moving on, or what's the plan? What's the plan? Oh shit. That's not what I wanted. Oh no, 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 no. No, not this shit again. How do I still find a way to fall off the fucking map, bro? Okay. This is to learn WizPewpie. This guy, bro. This guy. No, we're building our own thing. We're building our own thing. It's a mix of Destiny 2, E33, and Wiz. So, like Destiny 2 movement, basically. Think of it like in Wiz with like modern graphics kind of thing, and like a whole different combat system and like, everything different kind of thing. This looks like the arena. The Giant Dad sent me this battle circle model, which is nice of him. You just gotta make the code. If you go in the battle circle, actor blueprint. Okay. I can't even click on this thing. Blueprint, battle circle. Okay. What am I looking for? Camera's blurry. Oh, thank you for reminding. Yeah, it does that. It does that. Thank you for reminding me. It's old and Loki kind of shitty. Yep. It'll be turn-based. I said once we have a prototype, you guys will kind of see the idea of it. You'll see the differences. This looks sick. It does not look sick. Chat, this is literally... Like, I just got in, bro. I just got in here. This is my second day on the engine. I just installed it. I appreciate the support, though. If you add a cylinder spear collision component, it will give you an event. That sounds like a different language. How, like, what? Okay. So these are nodes. I don't know what the fuck this is. Chat, do you guys have any idea what Giant Dad's talking about? Well, you guys didn't think I would get this far, huh? That's crazy. You guys didn't think I would I would even get the engine installed. One. I'm gonna probably make maybe a stream or like polls of like translating Wiz stuff. So like the DPS class to Storm, like ideas for that. Okay. So what am I looking up though, Giant Dad? Like give me what it's called. Add a component. Add the battle circle plane. Where is that? This wasn't the plane. This was the plane. Okay. I added the plane. It's somewhere that I can't see. I don't even know. Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna touch that. That was laggy. You need two components, collision and static mesh for the plane. Okay. So, add... I don't see collision. I see static mesh. I just duplicated the plane. Do you accept small art ideas on the Discord? I mean, I accept anything, yeah. What does this do? Okay. Collision and static mesh for plane. I mean, the plane is a static mesh component already. So, collision. Chat said blueprint components were better than C++, right? Try searching. Box collision, sphere collision. Which one did he want? Cylinder and spear. Okay. Yo, what's up, Dave? Getting it optimized is gonna make you pull out your hair. Yeah, probably. Wait, so is the spear like the area of effect for the like the battle circle or whatever? Like you guys know when you run in like the ring and Wiz or whatever, there's like a spear thing maybe. So why I don't know why the fuck I have this thing if I already had it as a mesh component. I don't think I can delete it, can I? We're cooked. We're cooked. Add the battle circle plane, done with material. I mean the material's on, we just can't see it. Search for collision. Okay. I mean, there's only one option. Or I guess now there's multiple. Click event for colliding with the player. Where the fuck is event chat? Oh, this. Simulation generates hit. Okay. Material override. It will spawn a node on the graph that runs the code for when you collide with a collision. I don't see any node, bro. On the spear collision. God, am I stupid? Oh, I didn't play the whole time. It will spawn a node on the graph, the event graph, but I don't see anything here. You just finished farming? Nice. What are you farming? Darkmoor? Is that the Tim Hortons breakfast wrap? It's a chicken bacon ranch wrap, yeah. What are you looking at, bro? What the hell is that shit? Click sphere collision? Oh. My bad. I'm looking for on events. Okay. Do I add all of these? On component, begin, overlap. On component, begin, overlap. Okay. Alright, now we have a node in the event graph. I should be making notes. Where's my notebook? I can't forget this stuff. This is free education. Okay. I'm a fucking pen. I always lose this fucking pen. Where'd it go? What? Yo. Did the cat take the pen? Oh, hell. Yo, what do you get from Tim Hortons chat? I just got a double-double at the start of the stream here, so hopefully Giant Dad's down to fucking grind this shit, because I'm having a good time. Also, is the music fine, chat? Is it loud, quiet? Let me know. It's loud for me, but I can adjust your audio, so. Where the fuck is that pen? Hi, bud. Okay, no, something ain't adding up, boys. Okay, here it is. I knew something wasn't adding up. What do you want, kitten? What? You got a whole bowl of food. You got a whole bowl of kibble. You got a whole bowl. You coming in? I don't know what she's doing. She's gonna take my food. Okay, so now you can make the code off that node. Okay. Anything there will happen once player enters the circle. Okay. So I'll compile this, I guess. Okay, so to be clear, I mean, don't I have to connect this node to something, or is it already done? So to be clear, what we did is we made a sphere around the battle circle that will interact with the player. That's what we did. Okay, and how did we do that? Okay, we took the battle circle, and then we added collision. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much shit to write down. Keep it calm and giant dad, I'm just fucking taking notes, so when you're not here, I will still know what to do. Take... what's it called? A mesh? I think it's a mesh, right? Yeah, it's a mesh. Take mesh, add collision. Check. She's got the zoomies, that's what it is. Let me check the interact. And add on component begin overlap. Okay. Yo, what's up, Courtney? How you doing? You still hitting the gym? Yeah, I did legs today. Leg press shit. Event node red. Oh, okay, I see. I see. You need to also have the player code open. You're gonna have to actually code it with variables and shit. Okay. I see. How did we get to... one second, let me scroll up. No, we were in the battle circle blueprint. That's where we're in. Yeah, okay. How much you weigh? 160. I lost like 13 pounds because I'm training for the Popat. So, it's a lot of cardio. It's too much for me to explain and try it. For like coding or whatever. I mean, if you just want to make like general principles or whatever, once I have cheat sheet, I can track that. Plus, I'm using like AI for the coding, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, where's Soul Sword where you need him, bro? I mean, before I hit the gym, I was like maybe 110, bro. Like back when I met Val, I was like a literal twig, bro. You're tall? Yeah, I'm 6 foot. Hmm. Okay. I'm gonna make a whole separate page for coding notes trying to add. Okay, we need both player and battle circle blueprint open. Which should be what I'm in right now, right? So I do that. Can I add a tab here, chat? Do you guys know how to do that? Like, there's multiple tabs at the top here. Just make a Google Doc. Okay, I mean, I could add that to the doc, sure. But yeah, chat, is there a way to add a tab here? Because I think there's literally tabs. Right click isn't working. Open asset? Nah, I'm like 6 foot something. Like 6 feet, 6'1", 6'2". I don't know. I need to actually measure myself. It's one of the three. I had a girl at the gym talk to me the other day, and she's like, "You're not 6 feet," because she asked how tall I am. I'm like, bro, like what? I've been told I'm 6 feet, like something my whole life. She's like, "Well, I'm 5'6". You're not that much taller than me." I'm like, I'm not wasting my fucking time with you, bro. Some random fucking girl in the gym. You're not 6 feet when literally everyone in my life is like, "You're fucking 6 something." Opening content browser. Content browser. Content drawer, you mean? Oh, wait, I think I see what he means actually. So if I go to main character, double click him, yeah, it opens 2 tabs, okay. So I already need to have both of these open when I'm doing code stuff is what he's saying. Okay, cool. What's your objective right now for the gym? I need to be light, which is why I've lost 13 pounds. I need to be like agile and athletic for the Popat. Because a lot of it is like jumping over shit, like hurdles and, you know, stories of stairs and vaulting and stopping and starting and more jumping and a lot of running. It's just like that. So I was bulking, obviously, when I got into the gym, but I don't want to put in more weight, especially because my legs are relatively underdeveloped compared to my upper body. So that's why I've lost like 13 pounds or whatever. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've lost weight, but like, I still like notice my mass. Like, when I wake up in the morning, I can see like a nice little like 4-pack or whatever, or like in the shower. You know, it's like okay, you know. I don't know how to get the 6-pack though. I need to lose fat on like my lower bit. I don't know. I gotta figure that out. But yeah, we're chilling. Okay, so player and battle circle blueprints open. Where'd my fucking pen? Zazu, did you take the fucking pen again? No, this damn cat. Yeah, she ran off, bro. Oh, God. City, please, Michael. I love talking about you. You little shit. What'd you do with my pen? Hmm? Ugh. Meow. Alright, here, how do I go back to... Do I have to exit out of this? What are you crying about? Okay, I need to give this cat attention. I don't know what's going on. You have food. What's up? Okay, she just wanted to eat with me watching. Cat, does your cat do that? They nag you until you have to sit there, pet them when they eat? Or is it just me? You need to learn variables. From here you're just doing the code. Okay. Bool, float. What the fuck is that language? I mean, I'll keep taking notes, I guess. Here, I'll put the frog on for you guys to look at while I'm taking notes. Alright, so this is what we did today. We made our little battle circle, and we made our frog. Why am I on like 2 FPS, bro? Actually, cancer. For a 6-pack, you have to gain muscle, as it will decrease your body fat. Really? Oh, well, yeah, I guess you're right, you're right. You have more muscle mass relative to your body weight. Oh, okay, okay. So you're saying if I had more mass down there, and I was at the same body fat percentage, in theory, I would be fine, Michael, right? I'll gain weight after I'm done my POPAT. It's not an easy thing to do. I don't know if you guys have any idea what the police training in Canada is like. I don't know what it's like in America, but I didn't think it'd be so hard. Okay. Anyways, back to notes. I like the frog we made. There you go. Just a nice little top-down view. Okay. Variables. Bool. Is that float? And hey, where'd it go? Oh, he's just typing more. Okay. Structs, which are variables made of other variables. Okay. Does struct mean structure, or is it literally structs? So if I had gear in the game, I would make a gear struct asset, and it would contain every variable it needs in the game. I'll just pin that. I'm not writing all that down. I'm not writing all that down, bro. Wait, why can't I pin it? The fuck? Yo, am I Discord tripping? I'm the owner of this thing, am I not? You're not pin- yeah. What the fuck, dude? Giant Thad, can you pin your message? I got it. It's bugging. Okay, so you have I forget a set of armor. Okay. Structure, yeah. I guess I could probably shorten that. Gear struct asset equals every. So that's kind of like the NPC model we made, right? Like we have one NPC that we copy and paste, like the Fire Elephant Wiz, for example. That it has everything, like the animations, and so it's like that, but for gear, right, Giant Dad? Every required variable. After that, create a data table asset that uses your gear struct. Okay. Then you can easily add gear. Okay. Big pin. This is literally my first day, bro. I'm not actually gonna use this. Plus, I know my way around the law, anyways, so I'm fine. I will be fine. Giant Dad has sent me the stuff. I'm learning the fundamentals of how to use the engine Big Pen. So... But no. It's once you guys see the prototype, it's literally not gonna, like... any of that doubt will be cleared up right away once you see the prototype and like, the actual vision for the game. Like, it's not gonna be like it's gonna be the Wiz gameplay loop, but the actual gameplay is gonna be Destiny combined with E33. Pretty much. That's what the game is gonna be. What will the stat system look? What will the stat system look like? Oh, you're saying like the stat pages? As of right now, I only have 3 ideas currently, and that's all the damages right now. So you'll have like universal damage stat, and then 2 damage stats for the type of spells you use, basically. That's all I have for that. My next layer of design is going to be describing that stuff, though. I got through 2 layers right now, so I have to do the most complex one still. But okay, easily add gear. And you're gonna make a spell struct too. Really? Okay. Yes. You'll be making a ton of structs. Expect a ton of structs. It's gonna be a turn-based card game mixed with shooter. It's not really gonna be a lot of shooter mechanics. I say if you played E33, it's very similar to that. Like you have very, very few shooter aspects. Like you might have a puzzle or something like where you need to shoot stuff, Michael. Or like a couple of spells or maybe a weapon. But it's not gonna be like I'm fucking bitches with my gun, you know? It's not gonna be like that. Okay, chat, think of it like this, okay? Destiny movement, right? Stay with me, right? And then like E33 combat, which is like turn-based like Wiz, but obviously it's a lot more layered, right? That's basically it. Okay. Or the Destiny 2 world as well. That's kinda the vision with it. You mentioned Destiny 2. Yeah, like the movement and kind of like the how the world is set up. Any other notes trying to add? So, okay, let's reiterate on our progress we have so far, chat. Oh my god. Chat, dude, how is anybody counting how many times I fell off the fucking map today, bro? Oh my god. Dude, I'm so... Why? Why? Okay. So to reiterate what we've learned, I figured out how to like put NPCs in, give them animations. I need to fully understand like how the interact works still, but I got the NPCs in, animations. That's good, and then I understand how to build the world and like how the assets go with like the texture, the element, like blah blah blah, Blender. Just I understand the process of that. Why does that look weird? The cat is running around, sorry. So world building, a bit about like how the NPCs or character system works in the engine. And then right now we started work on the combat circle. So for now, like I said, he sent me this just for us to have. And then we added a spear to this, which basically means like when I go near it, stuff will happen. So again, correct me if I'm wrong, Giant Dad, but basically there's like an invisible spear around the circle. So kind of similar to Liz, right? In that sense, obviously. But the reason nothing is happening is because we haven't coded anything to happen when I go near it. Correct, Giant Dad? I think that's where we're at. I think. So, that's good. Holy shit, what is the cat doing, bro? Dude, she on like the fucking, like charging up a run or something. Oh my god. Not a bad first day. I mean, yesterday was technically our first day, wasn't it? Yeah, I got it right. Okay, thank God. Because, bro, I was assuming shit early on, like yesterday, and trying to, I was like, no, no, no. But I feel like today I did pretty good. I was like some of the, like navigating the menu. I mean, I think I did all right compared to when I started. And that's good. That's good. Yo, what's up, Galaxy Cod? But does it make sense though, Michael? Like the vision for it? Like I said, once you guys see the prototype, you'll like I'm telling you, like you guys will be like, oh, I don't know, because really what I'm doing, chat, like the vision of the whole project, right, is stuff I wish Wiz had. So for example, um, Okay, I'm gonna log on Wiz actually for the first time in a little bit. Hold on. Wait, save, because last time I deleted everything. Uh, save all, sure, fuck it, okay. Okay, I need to turn off my screen, because then, you know. But basically, my camera moved. So, like, when you go through Wiz, right now, or when you were a kid, right, there's stuff in the back of your head when you're like, oh, like, it'd be so cool to see this or that, right? So basically, the idea, right, is if I could give Wiz, or even E33, E33 doesn't really have this either, but give the freedom to the player to actually like go around the map. So when I Wiz loads up here, I'm gonna kind of show you an example of what I mean on that. But like imagine you're in, what is it, Storm Ribbon? What is it called? Storm Ribbon? I don't know. But it's like that area where like it looks like you should be able to like jump on stuff and like do parkour and shit, you know? Like you can't do that in Wiz. But like in my game, I want to have like elements of that, right? I always really wish you could have like freely went around the map more in Wiz, but you're so limited in terms of your movement. And even E33 is obviously better, but at least in my mind, the vision I had, like, I want you to have like complete freedom of your movement around the map, you know? Then obviously there's the same gameplay loop of like you level up, you talk to people, quest give, like MMORPG, right? The world exploration is more fluid, like D2, but combat is more Wiz Expedition 33. Yeah, that's the idea. You got it, Michael. I haven't played Slay the Spire, no. I could look into it. Though. Yo, do you have a new playlist, Giant Dad? I think we're done this one. Let's put a random song on until I get a new playlist. I can't help you much more until you get this down. The coding stuff. Okay, yeah, I'll do some research on that tonight. Again, thank you, Giant Dad, and also chat for coming up with ideas again. I appreciate y'all stopping by. I'm still logging in Wiz right now to kind of give you a visual example of what I'm talking about. So, you're going to sleep? All right, take care, Giant Dad. Thank you for helping. Bye-bye. But yeah, that's the general idea I had in my head. Or to say anything else you guys can think of like that you wish Wiz had when you're questing. That's just kind of what I'm going with, you know. Wizard102 packs? Nah, I don't think I'm gonna have gambling. Maybe, I don't know, probably not. I don't know, I mean, some people like gambling. Especially if my game is technically catered towards young adults. Maybe, but I don't want it to be unhealthy, like Wiz. There should be a healthy gambling system. If I do have it. Ugh. But yeah, I could work on the stats somewhere. I heard packs, man. Oh, not packs, just like... I mean, the gambling could be like hitting a chest or something, Lemmy, right? Some kind of gamblings. I know fucking people love gambling. But like I said, I want it to be healthy. Okay, so I think I have Celestia bot on my account. I have the first arc bot and some of the second arc. So what's a good area of like parkour in Wiz? Oh shit, you guys can't see. L streamer. Okay. What's an area where you can do like a mad parkour, or it looks like you should be able to? Imperia, Mirage, Celestia, yeah, okay. Okay, so for example, I mean, already just loading in here. This fucking fat ass dragon. Oh yeah. Okay, so loading in, right? Turn the music off so I can talk. Okay, so already, like, if you guys play Destiny, like, I could literally jump over this railing. Okay, so already off the bat, like, just stuff like that. Or, like, right here, I could jump onto here, right? Wiz, you're very limited with that movement, right? So in my game, I want to free that up where you can, like, jump over this, or, like, jump up and grab this type shit, you know? What are some other areas? For example, I don't think survey camp. Science center? Maybe science center? I'll go to storm ribbon. Would this ruin mounts? No. Did you see the video on the mount and pet system monkey or no? Basically, I'm like combining them into one. Or like right here, I could jump over. I'd jump over this box, go there, and take a shortcut down here, right? Instead of just walking down here, right? Just like stuff like that. Or what I was thinking in my head was like this area right here, like just like literally go up here, you know, or if I had a wall jump kind of system, theoretically, I don't know if I would want that, but like maybe you could like wall jump back and forth and just like get up here quicker than literally walking all the fucking way over here, right? So let's say you're fighting a guy down here over there, right? There's mini bosses or whatever, and this wasn't here. You just come over here, wall jump, and then turn the quest in right here instead of going all the fucking way over there. Imagining this ramp wasn't here, okay? So just like freeing up the movement is something I really want to focus on. The Marlebone rooftops, that's a good idea too. Yeah, so I hope that that makes sense in terms of that. Or like sliding too, like I want there to be sliding. Like actual like movement, like G sliding if you played BO3. Like that stuff. But yeah, I guess I would have to have separate commands monkey, like for the Celestia example. Like maybe you have to like unequip your mount to do certain things, or like maybe my mount could just go over. I don't know. Like let's say I'm right here. I could just jump up and mantle, but if I'm on my fucking dragon or some shit, like I mean if it's a big dragon, I guess you could kind of get up there. kind of, you know? But like there'll be some instances where I guess you're like unequipped. I don't know. But yeah, you could design areas for mounts or no mounts. So the amount of collision boxes you have to set, it'll be a lot of work. Is that like invisible walls, Warfox, or do I have the wrong idea? Let's go over here. God, bro, I miss Wiz being good, bro. Like, just being here makes me want to quest here, but the game is shit. What the fuck? Bro, I don't know what I'm looking at. I guess any of these work, yeah. Oh, daily shot. I don't even know what that's for. Good for you. But yeah, just even right here, just instead of literally walking here, just jump. Like, I don't know. Because I remember being a kid playing Wiz, and it really annoyed me that I couldn't do that. I know it's like the most little minute detail ever, chat. But like, bro, I'm telling like the little stuff like that is what makes players fall in love with your game, right? Like Wiz with the spinning, right? Whether you're against or for the spinning getting removed, right? It's like it's those little details. Like I can't fucking spin anymore. I have to hold it, right? It's like that's what makes your game fluid and you like about it. So do you guys gonna understand what I mean? A boundary box so people can't glitch out of the map itself. Okay. Yeah. I see. I see. What stats will the players have? Oh, I just said I'll work on that as well, Z. Like I said, as right now, I only have 3 damage stats in my mind. So, with the combat, you'll have... I'll just go fight somebody to try and explain it. Try to explain it. Okay, so this right here, this in theory would be my physical deck. I'm just calling it that for now, right? And then if I hit this button instead of fleeing, it would toggle a whole new set of cards, which would be your magic cards. Okay, so between both decks, you'll have a damage stat for them, right? And then you'll also have a universal damage stat, right? So your gear will give you different types of damages. So this way, you can build purely into physical, which would be like Tempest, right? But if you go too much of a glass cannon, then you're gonna get fucked against anyone who does utility or cheating bosses, right? So it encourages you to have 2 separate builds or have one diversified build between both of the stats, you know? So like for example, right? Let's take Wiz damage. Let's say what is universal? Shadow, kinda? Okay, so let's take shadow damage, right? So let's say this is my universal damage, right? Between the two. And then my fire is like my magic damage, and my death is like my physical damage. Okay. So that's kind of the direction it is. It's obviously different from Liz. Yeah, that's the idea of it. I can already imagine the templates in my mind. Wait, what? But does it make sense though, chat? Like the idea I'm going for? I feel like it does. I don't know. If you haven't played the game, then I mean, like E33 and D2, it's probably harder to comprehend, which I understand. But yo, what's up, Aaron? But yeah, I mean, my point, or even like this fucking jump in the fucking pond, bro. Like you just shit you wish you could do in the game. You know, just like literally the little stuff like that. I want to add to the game because I think it's a big deal, like the spinning. But yeah, so I need to work on. Well, Z, I just started. Z, you're making me feel bad. You're making me feel bad, even though I've been busting my ass on this, bro. Oh man. I'll work on it. That's the last layer of design I have to do, Z. That's the last layer. It's also the like the most convoluted shit ever. Now that I have the server set up though, I could probably try and tackle that. But no, I mean yeah, there'll be a bunch of other stats as well. for sure. I don't have it all mapped out in my mind at the moment. So I mean, we could have our next stream. We could have a discussion about like what kind of stats we want to have for like defense, or I already kind of have my mind up for like the offense. But we could talk about defense stats, or I don't know what stuff I'm not having a fucking accuracy system. That is the most stupid shit ever. I'm sorry. Maybe for your actual aim, like maybe, but like not for like just using shit. That's stupid as fuck. Crit block, probably not. Crit, again, maybe on like the shooting stuff. Then yeah, all this other stuff, I don't really know yet. We'll have to have a discussion about that. But anyways, I'm gonna head out today. It's 2 hours, so yeah, I will get to work on figuring out this coding shit for Giant Dad. And yeah. Think of the core mechanics, gameplay features. Yeah, no, I know. Build it inside out. Right, Warfox. I'm just saying, like, I want people to understand, like, the vision I have for the game as well. Because a lot of people think it's just going to be a copy-paste of Wiz, which it's quite literally not, you know? Unless Wiz were to, like, literally add my idea into the game, then I don't know, I guess. But if they make the game better, then, I mean, I'm not really going to complain, you know? So, I mean, shit, if Wiz was better, I wouldn't even be doing this, so... Yeah. Alright, I will see y'all tomorrow or whenever I go live next. And do not rush. I mean, why would I rush? But it's a passion project. Well, it'll be okay. But yeah, I think next stream, depending how fast I pick up on this stuff, will be the stuff like the damage style like you guys were worried about, and just the last layer of design stuff, like identifying what is XYZ, blah blah blah, just shit like that. So it looks easy, it does not look easy. I've accepted it's hard, but yeah, I'm gonna keep at it, Warfox. Again, thank you guys for all the love today. Thank you, Y, for the sub earlier. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video or stream. Take care.